Hi, Tigers. It's Mrs. McCarver, and it's time for today's word study lesson. This week, we're going to learn how we can listen to the sounds that we hear in words. We're going to listen very carefully for all the sounds we hear. We're going to use our body to help us stretch these sounds out. We're going to use our arm and our hand. Okay, watch me first. Listen to the word at. Watch as I stretch that out and say it slowly. At. When I say the word at, I hear two sounds. At, at, at. Listen again as I do another word. The next word is. 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 When I said is, the first sound I heard was the I sound. I'm touching my shoulder. The last sound I heard was the S sound, and I'm touching my wrist. Is. Listen as I do one more. Am. The first sound I hear is going to be my shoulder. The last sound is my wrist. Am. That one is a little tricky. The M makes the A say a different sound. Am. Okay, let's do it together. Can you stand up? Stretch your arm out. Get ready with your other hand. Here's our beginning sound. My word is if. Say if. If. Let's stretch it out. If. If. The first sound I heard was I. The last sound I heard was very good. Let's try another one. My word is we. Say we. We. Say it really slowly. We. Now let's stretch it on our arm. E. The first sound was w. The last sound was E. We. All right, here's a new word. It. Say it with me. It. Can you stretch it out? It. Let's do our arm movements. It. What sound was first? It. What sound was last? T. Very good. How about go? Can you try it? Say the word go. Now stretch it out. Go. Let's do it on our arm. Go. What sound was first? G. What sound was last? O. Go. Great job, friends. I hope you were getting up and moving with me and stretching those sounds on your arm.